This is a very exciting video to get to record. About 3 weeks ago, RomLabs crossed the 100 subscriber mark here on YouTube, and I was ecstatic. I wanted to make a quick thank you video, but with the end of the first robotics season and getting back in the groove at my job, I just didn't get the chance. Imagine my surprise when that subscriber number kept climbing and climbing and climbing and has not stopped yet. Now I'm well over a milestone I never thought I would reach, 1,000 subscribers. To say I'm in shock is an understatement. I'm absolutely floored by the amount of support RomLabs is getting, and I can't wait to keep going with it. I haven't had a chance to do a video in a while, but that does not mean I stopped working on my projects. Here's a quick status update on some of the bigger ones I'm working on. OMG Server 2.0 is alive and well and working great. It's been steady for the past 3 months, and I got a few more videos planned to show off the rest of the build process. But it came out exactly how I wanted it to be, and I couldn't be happier. I also have my digital con badge project. Version Mark 1 is coming along great, and I can't wait to get it completed. I am so psyched to show this project off. It looks amazing. After the support my server build time-lapse video got, I'm going to do more videos relating to what I do at my job. I have to do them in between projects because we don't always have a consistent flow of work, but I got some exciting things coming up I think you'll be really excited to see. One of them is going to be a tear out of some old equipment that I think would make a great time-lapse. My day job when I'm not making things is a cable TV head-end engineer, so I want to do some videos showing off how cable TV head-ends work and show off some of the techniques I use in my job that may not be common outside of our industry that could be useful in other places. I also want to get into 3D printing here on RomLabs. I realized during my digital con badge project that it'd be really helpful to have a 3D printer to do some rapid prototyping and design work while I was in the initial stages of my project. I also have some ideas for tools and devices that might help me at my job. So I'm going to do videos that show how I pick my machine, how I assemble it, how I tune it, and also some of the prints I do with it. But those will be coming a little further on down the line. I've always wanted to show off the behind the scenes footage of RomLabs and how I actually do the content for this channel. So I'm going to have some videos pertaining to how I do my lighting, how I do my time lapses, and the search for some new gear as time goes on. I'm really excited to try to improve my channel as much as I can, and I still have a box full of projects and ideas that will hopefully last me well on into the future. In closing, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. It's because of your subscriptions, your comments, and your likes that I want to keep doing RomLabs to the best I can. I want to let you know that I read every single comment you guys put on my videos, and I try to reply to as many as I can. Keep commenting, keep watching, keep challenging me to make better content, and I will do my best to give you guys the stuff you want to watch. So in closing, again, thank you so much, and keep making things.